So this is our daily agenda for December 10th, 2020. Today we went over our second day of symbolism and really attaching it to the Hunger Games. As always, we did a little bit of symbolism breakdown, and then we did some group work today. For homework, of course, for periods 1, 2, that's going to be your dialectical journal, your vocabulary prediction, and your weekly assignments all due on Sunday as usual. Any and all missing work is, of course, due on Sundays. A little bit more of what we did is we did a recap on symbolism. It's what object, person, animal, place, or thing is being pointed out or highlighted the most, and then what is being described or said about this particular thing, and that creates your own symbolic interpretation. So each team was able to kind of pair off, and we had a Mockingjay team, a team who covered Katniss's bow and arrow. We also had somebody do fire. We had flowers, of course. We had bread, which was an important role in the Hunger Games, as well as the Hunger Games themselves and the Capitol. Aside from that, after you guys did your symbolism breakdown, we also did the exit ticket, which was share one symbol you've seen in real life, movies, and or other books. If you guys have any questions about symbolism or are still a little bit confused, please don't hesitate to reach out to either me, Miss Arroyo, or Miss Reyes, and we'll help you out with that. Other than that, you guys are all good.